What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 4th. Let's get right to the very first article. The Motley Fool. You know it's reputable. You know it's legitimate. Right here, stimulus check update. Million signed petition urging Congress to issue $2,000 monthly stimulus check to all American citizens. That's the very first article. And then we have this article right here. If you weren't aware, right now, potentially, guys, there is an option to actually receive $300 every single month for every single child you have ages 17 and below, all the way until allegedly the year 2025. It's not BS, it's not a lie, it's 100% real. Finally, we have this article. Got your stimulus check? Look for the IRS letter next. Here's why and what to do if you lose it. A lot of people message me. I've received over 500 comments and hundreds of personal business emails asking me, I didn't receive the third or the fourth stimulus check. What do I do? Who do I contact? You have to contact the IRS. They are sending out letters to people who haven't received them, or people have actually lost their stimulus checks. But we're gonna go more into detail on all three of these articles. We're going to summarize. I just want to take 2 seconds out this video to let you know every single day, daily, I post minimum 1 if not 2 videos, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Every single day I post a video, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Again, one more time, you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, comment the word freedom. Let's get back to the article, starting with the very first one. Motley Fool. Are you holding hope for a fourth stimulus check? Millions of people want Congress to issue a $2,000 monthly reoccurring checks instead. Basically, allegedly, according to my source and very reputable sources such as the Motley Fool, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, just many credible sources and articles saying right here, over the last month and a half, the IRS has made progressive headway with the issuing a third round of stimulus checks, but many people, not only people, but also congressmen, are actually signing a petition, over 2 million signatures, to include $2,000 monthly stimulus checks until the end of this year. And as you see right here, the petition asking Congress for reoccurring stimulus checks, millions of people have actually signed a petition, including myself, on the change.org website. And as you see right here, the actual petition is asking Congress to issue $2,000 monthly payments for each adult and $1,000 payments for each child in America, according to petition, guys. It's looking very, very possible. Now, is it going to 100% happen? Is it 100% concrete? No, absolutely not. It's very hard to get Democrats and Republicans to actually, communicate, negotiate, come to some kind of agreement, guys, reach an agreement, together, collectively, a mutual, beneficial party agreement. But you guys deserve to know what's going on inside Congress, inside Senate. And according to my source, I said this literally almost 2 weeks ago, way before anyone else on YouTube even said this. I was the first person to talk about it. I did have to say allegedly because at that time there wasn't any sources or articles to confirm it. But now, as you see right here, almost 2 weeks to the T, literally I talked about it on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Multiple, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Fox Business, CNN, guys, a lot of people right here, the Motley Fool, are talking about the same exact thing that I knew and I reported on almost 2 weeks ago. And if you didn't, guys, go right here to the petition and actually sign it, right? If we actually get enough votes, it could actually get brought up in court. A lot of people in the Congress and Senate, legislators will actually assign this as well. As we see right here, I want to find who else. Stephanie Bonnin, basically another Congress legislator, she even supported this. A lot of people, according to my source inside Congress, who's been working there for almost 6 years, he told me a lot of people are, are in favor of this. They support this. They just have to get the backing and the following of us, we the people, guys. So if you do support this, please hit that like button. Please go sign the petition. Please share this on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let people know that there is a petition to ask Congress for $2,000 per adult, $1,000 for every child, monthly stimulus checks every single month. Stimulus check in May, June, July. It's very, very possible. Is it 100% confirmed? Absolutely not. I'm not going to be like all these other BS YouTubers lie to you, manipulate you, tell you something that's not true. No, I've never done that. I'll never tell a lie, guys. Just call me Honest Abe. I never just manipulate and lie to people for likes. No, I tell you 100% the real truth of what's going on. You're adults. You deserve to know what's really happening, what's happening behind closed doors. And if you do appreciate the 100% honest truth, no BS, no manipulation, no lying to your face, I literally show you every single article, every single source, where I'm getting my information, credible news articles like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, CNN, Fox News. I do watch both news articles. Sorry if you guys are mad at me for whatever reason. I'm not biased. I'm not a Democrat nor a Republican. We have the Motley Fool. We have very, very credible and legitimate news sources. If you like this, guys, if you want to support me, again, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, enter the giveaway, comment the word of the day. The word of today is freedom. Again, I do daily videos, daily giveaways. You must hit that like and subscribe button. Please share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let people know that there is a petition and it might actually make a difference. It might actually be the difference if we can get 3 to 4 million people people to sign it. It might actually be what pushes Congress and senators. They can't deny it. They can't say people don't support it. There's 3 to 4 million freaking people signing it and supporting it. Then please hit this white join button on my channel. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name. You get a members only emojis. You get members only community tab. You get members only exclusive content, pictures, videos, live stream, polls, giveaways, all these for members only. It only costs 99 cents. And as a member, you get a bunch of perks. All the money I make on my YouTube channel, I give away to subscribers and members. Not only that, I take this actual member money, which is literally 99 cents. I add it up and I use that money to continue to be able to afford to do daily Amazon gift card giveaways. Only 99 cents. Please hit this white join button. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word of the day, which is freedom. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.